So based on my memory, how do we get k equal 11? What's the first step? We have to find the x coordinate of m first. This can be done by doing the midpoint. 3 plus 8 over 2. So it's 11 over 2. After which we can find the y coordinate of m by substituting into the equation. And y coordinate is 25 minus 3, 11 over 2. 17 over 2. So, y coordinate of m, right? You follow formula, it should be 6 plus k over 2. Today, you know that it's 17 over 2. So, that means 6 plus k equals 17, k equals 11. Alright, how to find the n coordinate? Part 2, I'm going to form the equation of AD. So, first and foremost, I know that the gradient of BC is the same as AD. 6 minus 2, 3 minus 1. So, it's 4 over 2, gradient is 2. Equation of AD. Y minus 11 over x minus 8 equals to. Now with this, perform simultaneous equation to find coordinates of n. Since you know we arrive x equals 6, finding y, minus 5, 7. This will be your n coordinate. Okay, gradient of CD times, okay, gradient of BC is 2, right? Times 2 equal negative 1. Hence, gradient of CD, we know is negative half. Now we can form the equation again. Okay, so from here, right, all we need to do is just find the equation of CD, and this will be a simultaneous equation 1. Then you perform intersection with AD. AD is here. And then you will arrive at coordinates of D. Your answer should be 3, 1. Okay? Okay? You can do it by yourself. Right? Then A, M, N. You know the A coordinate, you know the M coordinate, you know the N coordinate. You just use shoelace method, then you arrive at 2.5. Can? Okay, huh? Now, today you move on to further coordinate geometry equation of circles. In your textbook, you will not be taught further coordinate geometry. You will just be you will be classified under geometry as well. Okay. But last time, right? Last time is a different branch by itself. Okay, so you notice my name is follow last time one. Okay, now equation of circle. This will be the equation of circle. We call it the standard form. Okay, if you notice, right, it's after you have done the completing the square, then it looks like that. Now let me go into it. Your A and your B, right, are your center of the circle. Center, okay? And your R is the radius. Now it looks simple, right? Okay, I want you to go and try question A and question B to find the center and radius. So how should it look like? Center, what is the coordinate? And radius, what is the radius? Okay, I give you some time, 1 minute. Okay, this is the equation of circle, right? X minus something, and then something is your center, right? So x is basically x minus 0. So your center coordinate 0, 0. Okay, y minus 0 is still y. What is it? Okay, let me show you. I'll show you. It can be written in this way. Okay, 49 is 7 square, how agree? So your radius is 7. Okay, x squared can I write it as x minus 0? Yes. Or y squared, is it the same as y minus 0? Yes, okay. Next, you realize that in the standard form, right, the coefficient is 1. The coefficient is 1, but here the coefficient is 2. Can you allow that to happen? Cannot. You have to divide by 2. So your first working, okay. So your center is obvious 0, 0. Your radius is just square root 5 over 2. The square root 5 over 2. Okay, which is the same as square root 5 over square root 2. Or can you leave your answer with a denominator that is a cert? You can't. So perform rationalization. Okay. Okay, what's the center? 0, 0. Radius 5. Okay. Now E and F. Center is the x coordinate 4 or negative 4? Is the y coordinate 6 or negative 6? What's the radius? Center. What's the x coordinate center? What's the y coordinate center? What's the radius? Obviously, we'll bring the negative 16 over. Okay. With this. So this is a most simple question that is given, that could be given for a question. It's found in your textbook. You must be ready for such question. Because this time around, I got this feeling that your WA3, they will test you some of the fundamental questions. They will not whack you with difficult questions. So this is a chance for you to score point. So basics must know. Now, just now Yong Han was telling me, circles got standard form and general form, right? The one that you have seen just now is the standard form, okay? And this one is called the general form. So, how do you get from a standard form to a general form? Very simple, expansion. But how do you go back? By doing completing the square. Now, you all still remember how to do completing the square? Who don't know? Now, let me recap your memory via this question. Okay, first and foremost. Wait. Alright, so I'm going to convert this general form to a standard form, then I will identify the answer. 2x squared. Okay, I know that I cannot have a coefficient 2 lah. So what am I going to do is I'm going to divide by 2 throughout. Okay, then I'm going to do grouping. So I group all the x together and all the y together. Next, perform completing the square. Focusing on x squared plus 2x. Okay, and now focusing on y squared and negative 3 over 2y. Three over 2 divided by 2. I key in calculator. I will get 3/4. Okay, ring a bell. Recap already. If this is a plus, this is a plus. If this is a minus, this is a minus. Here the center always minus. This one copy. This one copy. Okay. Minus 9 over 16. Next step, all the constant numbers bring to the right hand side because they are part of the radius. Bring over, become 1 square plus 9 out of 16. Key in calculator, 9 out of 16. Copy. So by using completing a square, I successfully converted a general form to a standard form. Then from here, center -1, 3 over 4. Radius, you just need the square root, 9 out of 16, 3 over 4. Okay, for the fun of it, I will do part C together with you.